Before the day begins in full swing, let's spend 5 minutes grounding and centering ourselves. This routine is about building calm strength and inviting flexibility. Picture each stretch as a way to feel more connected, steady, and ready to take on anything. Let's hit the mat. Kneel down, extending your arms forward and letting your forehead rest on the mat. Feel the stretch along your spine and shoulders as you sink into child's pose. Each breath grounds you, inviting calm into your body and mind. Hold here, letting tension release with each exhale. This moment brings a sense of stillness and steadiness, connecting you to a strong foundation. Come onto all fours, extending your right arm out to the side, then threading it underneath your left arm. Rest your shoulder and the side of your head on the mat, feeling a stretch through your upper back and shoulders. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds, threading your left arm under. This movement releases tightness from the back and shoulders, leaving you feeling open and balanced. Staying on your knees, place your hands on your hips. Gently lower your hips back towards your heels, then return upright. Each sit-up movement brings warmth and flexibility into your hips, connecting your core and lower body. With each sit-up, imagine your hips loosening, grounding you further into calm strength. Remain on your knees. Step your right foot out to the side. Place your right forearm on your thigh, then extend overhead. Feel the stretch along your side, inviting openness into your ribs and waist. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds, allowing your body to release tension as you reach over. This stretch brings balance, lengthening and straightening your side body. Return to all fours for a gentle cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arching your back, lifting your gaze and tailbone toward the sky. Exhale, rounding your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone. Let each breath move through your spine, easing out stiffness and creating flow. This final movement grounds your core and back, leaving you feeling more connected and ready to step into the day. Wonderful job. You've grounded and centered yourself, bringing calm strength to every part of your body. Take this energy forward, Try another stretch, a workout, or a moment of reflection. Embrace the day ahead, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.